In this video, I'm going to show the installation of the glass into the light boxes that you've seen me make in the last few weeks. So what you can see here is the light box before the glass has gone in. The white is the back of the light box. We decided to make it white to throw the light forward. You can see the LED strip, which goes all the way around the perimeter. In front of the LED strip will be a diffuser, and then the stained glass will go into a rebate and be beaded in place, and you can just see the type of controller there.
If you can keep it in place with one hand while I put the thing in place down here, it might be all right.
Yeah, but let's see if it's not overloaded.
Do you want a bit of tape? Tape?
That's beautiful.
You got that?
Yes. But I need to put the bits.
Oh, you've got it.
And now
Okay, that's great.
Are you alright, Susie? Yeah. You sure?
sorry.
Another one.
Yeah. Doing a nice job.
Let's not put too many nails in. What do you want now?
The small bit, please. Thank you. I'll make some more noise. Okay,
Excellent.
so we can put everything.
I reckon.
Yeah.
Do you want me to push down the lead first?
Yes, probably will be.
Yeah, you can get my. You got a hammer?
We can keep them, can't we? Yeah, we can keep them. There's always been in here, so we
It's all under control. Oh, I'll tell you what, eh? We'll be surely waved into the gates, aren't we, on this work, eh?
It's lovely.
Gabby, pleased to meet you. I'm gonna go. I just want to shake hand. Pleased to meet you too.
Yeah, you
I
too.
won't interrupt anyone.
Nice job on the lights, really nice.
Well, yeah, they look okay, so let's just keep fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed for what? Come on, it's looking fantastic.
No, it's good. There's a driver in the bottom there.
Yes.
Yeah. And I
You-
do
you-
worry
you-
about
you
in
do.
time, and you know,
All right.
I might have, if in years to come that was to go, and they generally go for years, I might have to
Put it down.
cut a little trapdoor out of the back bottom and drop it up.
Yeah, with the multi-tool.
Not a problem for today.
Yeah.
Let's worry about that in 5 or 10 years, yeah?
Yeah.
It
I
could-
understand now. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys, listen, great job.
I haven't put many nails on the front, so
And there's no adhesive or anything.
Oh, so yeah,
it
it could,
pop
if it
out.
had to, it could come back.
yeah, I haven't put any glue, so
Yeah.
Nobody will pull it.
It's a lovely bit of stained glass, isn't it?
Thank you.
Now, we'll still be calling this St. Paul's Cathedral.
I'll tell you what, we just keep adding and adding new bits, don't we? It's brilliant.
That's the way to do it, isn't it?
Yeah. The difference, I mean, I first came in 2008 here, and it was so dark, do you know? The wood on the ceiling makes a massive difference.
Oh, those high windows that were put in.
The windows, the wood on the ceiling, the floor.
Now, I'm going to take a photograph. Would you like to get in because you're one of the team, Michael? If you stand alongside Gabby there, we'll have a few photographs of work in progress.
I'll hold the ladders.
Yes.
I don't think it's
I
going
bet
anywhere.
pretend like I'm doing something as well. I'm only here,
Picture of me falling off the
I'm
ladder.
only here talking and annoying everyone, so I better pretend.
The problem I have is the light coming from
Yeah,
above.
it's always hard to take a picture standing well.
It's not so easy to. Anyway, we'll doctor it when it's.
Can adjust it. You can airbrush it to make it slim up. You
That's
know?
right.
Thank you very much.
Me anyhow, you two are okay. Right, everyone, have a nice day.
Thank
You
you.
too.
I'll see you tomorrow. All the best.
God,
doing a good job
beautiful,
tomorrow.
isn't it?
Glad you approve.
Oh, I do.
Doesn't it look beautiful?
Oh, it's gorgeous, yeah. Very nice. Very, very nice.
It's very rich, Sophie, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It's
I've
not
been,
rich in the
it's been
colour.
killing me waiting to see it in
Sorry?
place. I've been so looking forward to seeing it in place.
Wow.
Good day.
I'll see you.
I'm sorry.
Should have brought mine.
Well, I'm actually, what do you want? Who's taken them?
No, it's all the way down.
Take them. Bye.
How to translate this lump in my throat into melody? If songwriting is not for navel gazing, then what is? I don't want to feel ashamed all the time, all the time. Let music be a haven for me, please. My love keeps my sadness well hidden. 100 visions and revisions will make themselves scarce as we breathe the same air. No space for me to wonder, do I dare, do I dare? No time to turn back time. All about despair makes itself known, flooding back, catching up. Oh, remember the time when solace was a haven for me. My love keeps my sadness well hidden. I hundred visions and revisions will make themselves scarce as we breathe